Oh my God. What a beautiful morning. It is time to go to work. Thank you, Jesus.
Good day. Please come in. How are you feeling? I am feeling better now. Thank you, Dr. Lee. What can I do for you, madam? I need some drugs, Dr. Lee. Sure. Okay, let me refer you to Dr. Robot for proper checkup. Good day, Robot. We have a patient that will need your attention.
Okay. Where's the patient?
At the waiting section.
Okay, let me go see the patient. Good day, madam.
Good day, Robot.
How are you feeling today?
Better than yesterday, Robot. It's just that I need some treatment to recover completely.
Okay. You are in the safe hands. Let me start the checkup straight away.